Write a polynomial in standard form that represents the volume of the open box. Which of the following represents the volume? Well, the volume of a box is length times width times height. So I'm just going to multiply these three expressions together. So length would be 3 minus 7x. Width is 2 minus 7x. And then the height is x. Okay, so I'm going to start by multiplying the two binomials with FOIL. So first, outer, inner, last. And I'll save the x for the end. So this is going to be 3 times 2 is 6. Those are my firsts. My outers is 3 times negative 7x, so that's negative 21x. Inner terms is negative 7x times 2 is negative 14x. And last is negative 7x times negative 7x, which is plus 49x squared. And I still have to multiply all of that by x. Okay, I'm just going to combine some like terms in the parentheses. So that is going to be, and I'm going to rewrite this in more standard form, 49x squared. And then my x's is minus 35x plus 6. And then I'm going to distribute this last x. So I'm going to get 49x cubed minus 35x squared plus 6x. And that is option C.